In your home, there is an object that can amplify light, create depth, and reflect truth. But at the same time, it can inadvertently disturb the energy flow of your home. This mysterious and powerful object is the mirror. In the world of Feng Shui, a mirror is considered the aspirin of energy. It can heal, but it can also have side effects when used incorrectly. The essence of a mirror is reflection and doubling. It can reflect light, creating a sense of spatial expansion. It can also double the energy of whatever it reflects, for better or for worse. A clean mirror reflecting a beautiful garden can double and bring that vibrant life force indoors. But a blurry mirror facing a cluttered corner will double and reflect that stagnant energy back into your space. So how should mirrors be placed? Here are 3 crucial rules. Rule 1: mirrors are welcome in the dining room. A mirror reflecting the food on the dining table has the auspicious meaning of doubling wealth and abundance in Feng Shui. Rule 2: the bed should not face a mirror. A mirror directly facing the bed can reflect away the restorative energy your body needs during sleep. This can easily lead to restlessness and poor sleep quality. Rule 3: the front door should not directly face a mirror. The front door is the main mouth of qi. If it faces a mirror, it will immediately reflect the good qi that has just entered, like turning away the god of wealth at your door. But what if a mirror in your home is in a less than ideal position and is difficult to move? A simple remedy is to cover it with a beautiful piece of cloth, especially at night when you are sleeping. Alternatively, place a vibrant green plant in front of the mirror. Use the life force of the plant to soften and transform the mirror's reflective energy. A mirror is a powerful medium for our interaction with the energy of a space. Learn to use it wisely, and it can become a powerful ally in creating your harmonious home. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease.